Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Chase card to your Apple Wallet. I'm going to show you two ways. One is using the Chase app, right? So this is what you do. Open up the Chase app, make sure you're logged in, and then you go ahead and tap on See Card on your home page. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you basically see the confirmation that you're ready to spend with Apple Pay. Or what you can do is you can use the Apple Wallet app on any supported device to add your Chase card. So for an iPhone, you open up the Wallet app, tap on the plus sign. And if you're using an Apple Watch, open up the Apple Watch app. Okay, on your iPhone, select Wallet and Apple Pay, and then tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. If you're using an iPad, go to your settings, and then open Wallet and Apple Pay, and select Add Credit or Debit Card. If you're using a MacBook Pro with Touch ID, go to System Preferences, and go ahead and select Wallet and Apple Pay, and then just tap on the plus sign to add the card. And for each one of these, just follow the instructions, and you're on your way to add the card. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.